So USCIS's enforcement powers is now fully in effect. We started posting about this months ago. We posted and told you guys that Kristi Noem had delegated enforcement powers to USCIS. USCIS, which is an adjudications agency, now has enforcement powers. They can arrest, deport, prosecute, investigate, and a bunch of other things. I believe a few weeks ago, this was September 19th specifically, we did a live video session. We went through all the 10 regulatory changes that the final rule instituted as part of USCIS's enforcement powers. This rule is already in effect. It went into effect, as I mentioned, on Monday, October 6th. This final rule went into effect. And according to the rule, USCIS has added on some people called special agents, and these are the 1811 type of agents, and they are empowered to investigate, arrest, and present for prosecution people who violate immigration laws. These special agents by USCIS, they can arrest, they can carry firearms, they can execute searches, search warrants, arrest warrants, and other powers that are standard for federal law enforcement. And these powers were traditionally reserved for CBP, Customs and Border Protection, and reserved for ICE. But now USCIS, which was purely an adjudications agency, has been granted enforcement powers, and that is already in effect. From Monday, you'll see them actively taking part in law enforcement as USCIS. Obviously, this is going to blur the line between adjudicating, because an agency that's supposed to be adjudicating my green card application, work permit application, if I come to you to adjudicate and now you start arresting me, then that's a problem, because that could dissuade or discourage people from submitting affirmative applications.